avoiding chip out when cutting veneered plywood or melamine board. First off, avoid cutting discs with 24 teeth and get one with at least 40 teeth or even better 60 teeth when using a 7¼ inch blade. Don't be cheap and buy a quality brand disc for cleaner results. Avoid using your old blades if you want to achieve clean cuts. Another tip for avoiding tear out is to place painter's blue masking tape on both sides of the cut line. This works for solid wood or veneered wood, especially on cross cuts, but it doesn't work when cutting melamine boards. To avoid tear out with melamine boards, pre-score the board on both sides with your circular saw blade set to a depth of 1.5mm or 1/16 of an inch. Then do your main cut. This technique can also be used with veneered plywood. One last tip, make sure your panel boards are level and supported before cutting them. I use a 4x8 foot polystyrene or insulation board on my driveway. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.